Hello mga sisi, this is Rhea. Magandang araw sa inyo. I know some of you nakapanood na ng other video ko about this, but then I want to share it again in a different version. This is Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade of Pioneer. This is one of my favorite lipstick that I'm using right now for almost 5 years. Also, here is the swatch in the shade of Pioneer. By the way mga sisi, marami pa silang variant of colors, not only Pioneer, so pumili na lang kayo here sa aking yellow basket below. Going back, as you can see, it's a red-pink finish that makes you look young and no retouch needed. Cause it lasts for me for about 24 hours and more. It's waterproof, transfer-proof, and fade-proof na siya mga sisi ko. 3-in-1 na, so saan ka pa? Ano pang hinihintay mo? You can avail this item by clicking the yellow basket below. Get yours now mga sisi, babush!